Hi, my name is Sean Dooley, and what I'll be doing in this video is showing you how to add a form to a Google site. First thing that you will need to do is create your Google form. And I have created my Google form, and it's in my drive, on my Google Drive. It's listed as Port Washington Basketball Website Questionnaire. If you look, I have a number of questions that I'd like answered on my site. In order to do that, first thing I have to do is make sure that my settings, who I share the form with, is set to public so that anyone on the site can answer and fill out the form. As long as I have that set here to public on the web, I should be fine. So I hit save to keep that, and then done. Once I have my form set, I'm going to go to my site, and the first thing I need to do is create a new page. When I create the page, I'm going to call it website feedback. I'm going to keep it as a web page, and I'll hit create. My new page is up. And now to add it, what I'm going to do is first go up to the insert part, find the Google Drive section, scroll over to Google Forms. Once I click on that, the forms that are in my Google Drive will be shown. I'm going to click the form that I want. The pixels that they give you for your original settings will be a little bit smaller than what I'd like, so I'm going to change it to 800 and 600. Hit save, and now my form is up. I'm going to move it over to the middle to center it on the page. And then I'm going to go up to the right and I'm going to hit save. My form is now up on my site and it could be answered by anyone that I would like. When this is done, what I would like to do is add it to my navigation part over on the side. In order to do that, I have to go over to the settings, go down to edit site layout. Once I've done that, I click on the navigation bar. And now what I have to do is find or add the page, and right here it says website feedback. So when I scroll down and I click on that, I hit OK, and now you'll see that website feedback has been added. And once I hit OK, it is now on my navigation part of the website. So I'm going to hit close, and now if I go back to my home page on my site and then I go to website feedback, there will be a form here. So I can fill out my form. Yes. We'll say quote of the week. And not sure. So then I'm going to submit my form. And it says it has been submitted. I can then go back to my Google Drive. And then in the question responses, you'll see that I now have a spreadsheet with my responses. So this will help me to get feedback from my Google site. And that is how you add a form to a Google site. Thank you.